Hi guys, let me show you how easy it is to save and search your bookmarks on bookmarks.dev. For the beginning I will use the Chrome extension whose links you can find either if you go to how to and how to save bookmarks. Here is the link to the Chrome store, or via bookmarking and Chrome extension link here. For this demo I will take a YouTube video. And all you have to do in that case is just click on the Chrome extension once you have installed it, and you can see it automatically fills for you the title of the video, also the duration, because for me as a developer it's maybe important to know how much the video lasts, and the tags that the video is tagged with. I'll have a look of them, but then maybe technology is not the right tag. You also get automatically the date when the video was published, and a description, the first like 600 characters or so. Maybe I'll just delete this. You can see Markdown is also supported. For that, maybe I will just make this function bold, or make it a code-like. And because I think this is relevant for the community, I will just make this public so everybody can see that I've published it, and I will just save this bookmark. And now if I go to the website, I will have it in my history. In history I have listed the bookmarks that I added recently or visited recently. You can see it has also the YouTube icon here. If I click on it, it will start a pop-up so I can play the video directly from here. And how would I look for that? So you can see on the search I have a couple of options. Either search through the my bookmarks, public bookmarks, or my codelets, and I will choose for this my bookmarks domain. You can see it has autocomplete with my saved bookmarks. I will just put here in the loop Jake to have the result. You can see it finds the video. Now, if in the future I might use this same query for to look for this video, I will just save this search. And now it will appear in my auto-completion search list. So if I now do like loop, it will filter and see this is the search I'm looking for. Another way to search for the video is if you're using Mac and Alfred app, you can also set up a custom query like I did. Let me show you quick. So I will do my bookmarks, and here I will put in the loop Jake. So it's basically the same query. Click it and we'll open a new browser tab with the result from the query. It's basically it's going in this path, and Q is the query I put in, and the search domain is my bookmarks. Another way to save bookmarks would be to use the bookmarklet. If you're not on Chrome, maybe you're using Firefox or not Chromium based browser. For this I will use this other link here. It's a Stack Overflow question. How could I remove a specific item from an array? So to use the bookmarklet, I will just drag this bookmarklet in my browser toolbar. It's basically the same action as the Chrome extension over here. And you can see this is the most voted answer. It's a simple way to remove an item from an array. So I'm deciding, okay, I will use this in my description. So what I can do is select this code and type and click on the bookmarklet. This will pop up the same dialog, And you can see for Stack Overflow, it's also automatically fills the tags from the question, the date when it was published, and plus in the description, once I selected this in the browser page, it takes the text that I selected and puts it in the description. Here I will choose to make it also pre-code formatting because it looks nicer, and I will also make it public. And yes, save it. And you can see it also appears in the history. But this is a case where I would rather bookmark only the code snippet and not the URL, just to access it easier and use it later. Let me show you what I mean by that. I'm call a code snippet codelet, like piglet, you know, small code. And how would I bookmark this as a codelet? So basically, I use also a bookmarklet for that. This is the codelet bookmark. I drag this to the navigation bar, and I go here on the URL you've seen before, and also select this piece of code and just click the bookmarklet, and it will automatically fill the title as the bookmark with the tags. Maybe here I add a comment. It's optional. It also supports Markdown, and you can see because I've done this from the web, it also will save the URL where I saved this from. I will not use a comment now and just click Save Code. Now this is how it looks like, and once it's saved, I can also copy here and have it in the clipboard. I will now close that. To search it, it's the same thing. I will select here my codelets and just type in JavaScript remove item from array. You can see it's the resource I saved before. We'll just copy it to be on clipboard. I also set up an Alfred custom query via my codelets, and it's the same functionality. JavaScript remove item from array, and it will open a window that displays the same result as before. So this is basically how you can save bookmarks and code snippets from the web. More information you can find if you visit our how-to page. Here there's an accordion with the different capabilities and features that you might use in your day-to-day work. If I click on this one, you have more or less the same as I've shown you before, plus a small demo. Sorry, forgot to mention, you can also add a bookmark or a codelet via this plus button here, and it basically displays the same dialog as the pop-up before. So if you have any suggestions or how we can improve this, I would be very happy to hear from you. Leave a message in the comment section below, or make a pull request on the GitHub repo. This is an open source project where everybody can contribute. So please feel free to help out. Thanks, and see you soon.